Do you sell products? Either physical products like these or digital products like online courses or templates? I just scoured Instagram to find the best reel ideas for product brands like the one you have. Now, you can easily swipe these ideas and make them your own, all to get fresh eyeballs on your business and sales in your bank account. Now, the cool thing is these video ideas are working right now. So don't just watch this video, take action and make these ideas for your business and hit post, because I know too many drafts go unpublished. So your challenge is to take one of the ideas I share in this video, make it today and hit publish. And make sure to tag me, Elise Dharma, when you do post, because I would love to see your spin on these ideas that I'm gonna share with you now. And don't worry, all the links that you're gonna need to grab the audios and effects from the examples I'm gonna share with you today are gonna be linked right below this video. Now, if you're still on the fence about whether Instagram will actually help you sell more of your products, you gotta meet my student, Sarah, who is an online plant shop owner. Sarah Peel from Petite Soleil Studio made $11,000 in sales with less than 800 followers, and her business wasn't even 1 year old yet. Then there's Lonnie, an artist who did about $1,000 in sales 1 month to making over $15,000 in sales the next. Selling your products on Instagram is totally doable. Let's dive in and let me show you the very first reel you can make. The first idea I'm calling my favorite. The idea is it's a way for you to show off your favorite thing, whether that's your favorite product that you've recently made or launched, maybe it's your favorite combination of products you sell, or it could even be a favorite piece of feedback that you got from a customer. And small hint here, that favorite thing of yours will quickly become your viewer's favorite thing. Kind of the point of this reel. Believe it or not, in a sea of 1,000 options online, people are looking to be told what to buy. So make it easy for them and highlight a great product you love. Here's an example of what I mean. After you've shown off your favorite thing, which ideally is your product, be sure to include a call to action, either as on-screen text or in the caption, so that your viewer knows exactly how to get that product in their hands. The second reel idea is called Not to Be Dramatic, but meaning you want to be a little dramatic. This reel is a perfect and funny way to feature something that can genuinely be life-changing for your customer. It also gives you the chance to show your product in action, which gives your viewers a POV experience as if they already own and use that product in their life. Here's an example. Here are a few prompts or ideas on how you can make this reel work for your brand. Not to be dramatic, but this dress can be dressed up or down for almost any occasion. Not to be dramatic, but this tripod could totally revolutionize your content creation game. So see how I took that opening hook and then I added a spin at the end to make it work for my hypothetical product brand? That's what I want you to do for yours. The third reel idea is a classic how-to tutorial. How-to videos are great because they not only show your product being used, but these types of videos are also so very shareable and savable. Two things that Instagram loves to see happen to your content, because if people are saving and sharing your content, and that is the key to growth these days, getting your content in front of people who don't know you. But if your content is informative, like a how-to video, it doesn't matter that they don't know you. They're just happy that you're giving them an aha moment or a handy tip that they can use in their life. And spoiler alert, that's how they then become a follower and then a customer to your business. Here's an example of a how-to reel. You can make this reel idea work for your brand in a few ways. One, you can show how to use one of your products, duh. Two, you can show how to pair a few of your products together, win-win, because people are then gonna wanna buy more of your products. And three, you can show how to gift one of your products. Yes, it might sound obvious, but again, people need to be told what to buy. And if your product is an amazing gift idea for a family member or a friend, show them that through your reel. Now, if any of these ideas are standing out to you, be sure to take note, but keep watching because I got a whole lot more for you, including number 4, which I'm calling If Your Goal Is To. So this idea tells your audience that you understand their long-term goal, and it gives you the chance to share exactly how your products help them with achieving that goal. And keep in mind, you can make this video anytime in the year. It doesn't just have to be in January, because people have goals all year round. Here's an example of this. You can make this idea work for your product brand in several ways. One, you can share one of your products that your audience should use if they want to hit a goal of theirs. Two, you could share one of your products that your viewer could use if they want to get rid of an annoying problem. Let's say you're trying on rings and you split your finger open by accident. Your priority in that moment is not going to be to find your perfect ring. It's going to be dealing with your open wound. A little graphic, but just a way to paint the picture that people run away from their problems more than they run to their desires. Now, the third way to make this idea work for you is to share one of your products that you personally use to change your life for the better. People love to be inspired. The fifth real idea is called I Got You. Now, your audience might feel like you're in their head when you post this one, but it shows that you listen to your customers and you've thought of all the things that might hold them back from using your product. Here's what I mean. Ways that you can make this idea work for your brand. One, you can highlight one of your products and share a common complaint that you hear from your customers. Yes, addressing complaints is actually a really empowering thing to do because your viewer might have that same question in their mind, but if you address it head on, you help them overcome that objection and therefore become closer to becoming a customer. Two, you can highlight one of your products and share a common question that your audience has. Again, this is another way that you can help your viewer overcome any objections they might have before buying your product. And three, you can highlight one of your products and share different ways that your customers can use it because people might not realize the versatility of your product, so be sure to make it crystal clear for them. The sixth real idea is called What I Blank Today. Now, this is a fun idea that gives your audience the chance to see inside of your day-to-day life, including using your product or running your business. Now, bonus points if you can add a little humor like this example. Here are a few ways you can make this idea work for your product brand. One, share what you did as a product-based business owner on a certain day. Choose an interesting day, of course. Two, share how you used one of your products in your day-to-day life. And three, share what you ate and somehow relate it back to your product. Be creative. The seventh idea is called POV, which stands for point of view. This is a trend that has not died in years. Remember, you're sharing something from either your point of view or your customer's point of view as if they already are using your product. Here's an example. Ways you can make this idea work for your brand. One, share your customer's point of view when they're using your product, of course. Two, share your point of view when you're creating your product. Use this as a chance to highlight something that they might not know goes into the creation process. And it's probably one more reason that makes you stand out from your competitors. And three, share your point of view of when, where, and how you get your next product idea, because this is a great way to tease at your next product launch. Number 8 is a fun one. It is called You Have 1 minute. I mean, who doesn't like a hypothetical forced deadline decision? This idea gives you the chance to feature several of your products at once and boost your engagement on your post by asking viewers to vote on their favorite in the comments. Here's what I mean. Pro tip for this one, to really make the most out of this reel, use an automated DM messaging tool to follow up with your commenters. One that will do it for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. You know those posts, right? They say comment keyword and I'll send you the link in your DMs. Well, you can easily create the same system for yourself. And I've actually got 13 ways for you to jumpstart your DM automations with templates that I've written just for you. If you're not sure where to start, tap the link right below this video and I'll give you the exact templates that you need to set up your DM automation sequences. It's not as hard as it might sound. Now, here are a few ways you can make this reel idea work for your brand. One, share a few products in a 30-second reel and have your audience pick one in the comments. Two, share a few product options and have your viewers pick one to deal with a certain pain point of theirs that they have. Hint, that one's really good for market research. And three, share different versions of a new product and have your audience pick their favorite. This is a great time to involve your audience when you're choosing the colors or the logos or some sort of aesthetic detail of a product, because then when you launch that product, they're gonna feel like they were part of the creation process and they're gonna want that product that much more. Number 9 is called Essentials to Achieve or Do X. Now, stick with me on this one because this reel helps you dive right into the heart of your customers' desired result that they want for their life or pain point that they want to fix. And of course, your featured product is going to help your customer either achieve what they want or solve what they don't want. Here's an example of what I mean. Now you can make this idea work for your product brand by 1, sharing products that are essential for your customer to achieve the desired result that they want in their life. 2, sharing products that are essential to stop your customer's existing pain point that's literally keeping them up at night. And 3, you can share things that are essential for you while you create your products. And ideally, it's one of your products. Now that you have your next reel ideas ready to make for your product brand, watch this video next on how to plan, film, and edit up to 20 reels in 1 hour. Don't miss it, it's a good one.